哇哇哇 That's right, tart. Today I'm going to share my secret egg tart recipe with you. You'll learn some Cantonese vocabulary and how to count in Cantonese. So let's start baking. 牛油175克，糖霜2湯匙。Want to watch more of my videos? Click like and follow on Facebook Watch. On YouTube, click subscribe button and the notification bell and follow me on Instagram. 麵粉275克，蛋黃1隻，雲呢拿香油1毫升，白糖70克，熱水100毫升，雞蛋4隻，蛋白1隻，牛奶200毫升，少少鹽，雲呢拿香油1毫升。Before we start counting, there are a few words to learn. Hundreds, 百位 three-digit numbers, 三位數 tens, 十位 two-digit numbers, 兩位數 double digit, 雙位 single digit, 個位 single digit numbers, 單位數。Let's start with single digit numbers. 個位數0、1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9。In Cantonese, when we count numbers, we say 1、2、3. But when we count objects, we count number plus the measure term. In this example, we use 個 as a measure term. 一個、兩個、三個. So when we count two objects, we say 兩個. Two-digit numbers, 兩位數10、11、12、13、14、20、30、 40、51、62。Three-digit numbers 三位數100、101、102、110、120、200、700、805、969、999。
Want to watch more of my videos? Click like and follow on Facebook Watch. On YouTube, click subscribe button and the notification bell and follow me on Instagram. Ciao!